Adding time. Rules for the addition. Add the seconds, minutes, and hours in the question separately. Check seconds if it is 60 or more, then subtract 60 from the seconds and add 1 to the minutes. Repeat the process if the number of seconds is still 60 or more. After that, check the minutes. If it is 60 or more, then subtract 60 from the minutes and add 1 to the hours. Write the time in hours, minutes, and second format. Let's understand these rules with the example. Add the following. The question is 4 minutes 31 seconds and 2 minutes 40 seconds. We have to add this. Write down the first part first, 4 minutes 31 seconds, and under this we'll write 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Now for addition, we'll add seconds separately and the minutes separately. So 1 plus 0, 1, 4 plus 3 is 71 seconds. And 4 plus 2 is 6 minutes. After addition, now check seconds. It's 60 or more than 60. If it's 60 or more than 60, yes it is. Then subtract 60 from the seconds and add 1 to minutes, because 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So seconds can't be greater than 60. So we'll subtract 60 from seconds and add 1 in the minutes, because 1 minute to 60 seconds and it will be given to minutes. And now we'll solve. 71 minus 60 will be 1 minus 0 is 1 and 7 minus 6 is 1. 11 seconds. And now we add 6 plus 1, 7 minutes. So our answer is 7 minutes, 11 seconds. Let's do one more question. This time we have 6 hours, 30 minutes, 3 seconds plus 4 hours, 42 minutes and 58 seconds. First write down 6 hours, 30 minutes and 3 seconds. Then under hours, you write 4 hours, and under minutes, 42 minutes, and under seconds, you write 58 seconds, where 8 will come under 3 because it's the ones place. So now for addition, we'll add these separately. So we'll add seconds first. So we have 58 plus 3 will give us 61 seconds. And then 72 minutes. 0 plus 2 is 2 and 4 plus 3 is 7. And 6 plus 4 is 10 hours. So here you'll not carry forward. You'll write here only because you are adding seconds, minutes and hours separately. Now, your first step is check seconds if it's 60 or more than 60. So it's more than 60, subtract 60 and add 1 to the minutes. Now we'll solve it. 61 minus 60, 1 minus 0 is 1. So it's 1 second, and 72 plus 1 will give us 73 minutes. And 10 hours will be written as it is. Now we have seconds, 1 second. But we have minutes greater than 60 because after seconds, now the turn is of minutes. Check minutes if it's 60 or more than 60. So it's more than 60. Subtract 60 from the minutes and add 1 to hours. Now let's solve it. 0, 1. Seconds will come as it is. 73 minus 60. It means 3 minus 0 is 3 and 7 minus 6 is 1. So 13 minutes. And 10 plus 1 is 11 hours. So our answer will be 11 hours, 30 minutes, 1 second. Now, so you just need to add this minute, hour, or seconds, hours, and minutes separately. And after that, just check it's 60 or more than 60. If it's 60 or more than 60, subtract 60 and add 1 to the very next term, that is minutes. And if minutes is more than 60, subtract 60 and add 1 to the hours. It's just because we know that 1 minute equal to 60 seconds and 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Solve this exercise. This is your time to do workout. 17 minutes, 46 seconds and 11 minutes, 21 seconds. You need to add it. And if After addition, you got to know that seconds are more than 60, then you'll subtract 60 and add 1 to the minutes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of our upcoming videos. Bye bye.